Well guys, I just flicked on the camera because I wanted to, Myah wanted to come out, but as you can see she's cracked the darkie on me because I did get her out, but I was in the process of actually putting in a little gym thing for her to play on. So she's decided to go over in that corner there and say, well, hang on, why did you get me out and then you just put me back in again? Like, that's so unfair. So, and I am tightening up, you know, her leather straps here, which really hold these suction pads on really well for the hammocks. So, great for not coming undone like we know string and stuff actually can. But what I've done for Myah is I've put this little gym thing in for her because Myah loves to climb. She really is a climber. Hello. Hello, darling. I'm sorry that I made you turn around and go back in, but you can come on out now. I'm finished. But it will be very interesting to see, and all I've done is I've used the leather straps again and I've just suctioned them onto the glass, and she's not a heavy girl where I feel this is going to come falling down, and I do check them every couple of days to make sure that they're still tight and secure and that they don't come tumbling down on her. So yeah, just I'm always trying to think of ways for them to exercise inside of their enclosures, and you know, she has her branches and stuff that she can climb on and her hammock, but you know, I watch her grip hold of this light cage and crawl, you know, down from there or up and down, and I'm sort of hoping that she will utilize this. I don't know if she will or if she won't, but you know, for your little snakes this is something perfect. And okay, it's for a bird. I know it's for a bird, but you know, these hammocks are for bearded dragons and every one of my snakes use it. So you know, I'm always trying to think of ways to give them stimulation and something to do inside of their enclosures, and I figured that one of those would be perfect. You know, Myah isn't like Lily. Now if that were Lily, she would be already checking that thing out and saying, you know, can I climb on that? What is it? And what do you do with it? That's totally Lily. Myah, not so much, but I do know that she will, and the curiosity will get the better of her as well. So anyway, this video is not going to be with Myah. I do plan on getting Sia out, so yeah, I'll just put this in at the start of the video. Myah shouldn't be hungry per se. She's only fed a couple of days ago. You only fed a couple of days ago. So yeah, I'll be moving on to Sia. Is that your mum's hand? Yeah, it's only a hand. That's the hand that put me back home before. But she's gonna probably make her way out, so I may have to get little Missy out first. Do you want to come back out with Mum? I'm sorry I put you home. I didn't mean to. Come on then. Come on. Come on. I'm waiting. I'll wait for you. You going to come out? Hey? Coming out? Here. Come on. don't know. Maybe. Maybe not. This way though, darling. If you go back that way, I won't be able to get you. This way. I've opened the door. I promise you, I've opened the door. You're going to... No. You're deciding that you're just not doing it. Right? Well, I'll close the door and she'll probably be back at it a bit later. So, as you can see, she's using it, and I think she likes it, actually. So yeah, I'm glad that I picked it up and brought it home and put it in there for her. And it seems fairly solid and okay to hold her weight, so yeah, it's good stuff. And I can see her from here as well. There she is. She can reach all the way to the top and check things out now. Is that good stuff, Myah? Oh, where did you go? Where did you go? She's still checking out those rubber suction cups. They are, which yeah, work pretty good. That's what are connecting her hammock as well. So yeah, I'm really pleased. Well, I'm pleased she's pleased and is actually using it. As you can see, she's got it down there. She's got a good hold. But yeah, over there too. What do you think, Myah? Pretty good. Just rubbing her face all over it, ain't you? Hello, I see you. I see you. What you're doing? Yeah, that's really good. Is that good, Myah? Okay. That'll do. You get the idea that she can use it pretty well. Get up there and explore the top part. I've actually got a bigger enclosure for her, so I might switch it up. There she is. Yeah, checking it out. I knew she would in her time, of course. But this is what I love about them. You know, they will use things. You have to use your imagination to see, could my snake get something out of that? And I really felt that she would. Absolutely. And I have bought something else for her. And how I put that in, I'm not really, sorry, I'm just going to move over here. But I'm going to, you know, I don't want to overcrowd it, so, but I really want to put this little thing in there, and I can hang that as well, and probably, you know, put it across that way, or just leave it for her to climb through this. I don't know yet, but that is a perfect little hide for a Myah, a pani, for Myah to curl up in there, and I know that she would. And it's cheap, you know, it's washable. I can clean it all. It's a canvasy type material. It has a hard bottom in it, so it sits and it's quite secure. So I'm just figuring out, do I save this little one for a pani to go into her new little enclosure? I will probably look at getting another one of those for a pani to use. It's not for a big snake, guys, to use at all. Their weight, you know, as we know, would be so much more than this girl. So not something I'd use for my bigger snakes, but certainly for these little ones. Yes, lots of enjoyment to be had by this, and I'm glad she likes it. And she's kind of done that one quick little go through, but I can see that she'll be back there and exploring it a whole lot more. I love it. I love watching them check new things out, but I love it more when I see them actually enjoying what it is. If she didn't, and she avoided it, and she didn't go anywhere near it, then I would take it out. So I'll keep my eye on her and just see how often she goes up there and spends some time in there. I've got a pretty good idea that she will. So don't disappoint me, little Myah. You have fun with it, but just have lots of fun with it. That's what I want you to do. There's your tail. There's your tail. Where you coming? Around that away. Hey? Yes? That camera. Mum, that camera again and again. I'm pretty sure my snakes are well aware of this thing that I hold in my hand. So anyway, guys, I'm going to do a separate video because this ended up being a longer video, of course. But I'll do a separate video with my seer before the boys get home and I lose the chance to get seer out, pretty much. So, yeah, my phone's tingling with a message as well. But there you go, guys. She loves that little log down there. She spends a lot of time sleeping in it. It's perfect for her. I've actually got a bigger one, but it just, well, in a way it would take up more space, but it's got more inside area. But you know, just remember, they like tight little cozy places too. They don't need to have this great big open spot where they curl up and have a sleep, and they keep warm too. So anyway, that will be it. This will be one video. Otherwise it will end up too long by the time I get seer out. So guys, you take care of yourself and your family, and you take care of your snakes. And if that means just thinking outside the box with things, think outside the box. If your snake likes it, great, that's the bonus. If they don't, take it out. You can only try it. Ciao.